Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix USB device not showing in VMware Workstation. Edit virtual machine settings. Select USB controller. Check show all USB input devices. Insert USB device. Check connect to a virtual machine, select virtual machine, click OK. Right-click virtual machine, removable device, make sure your USB device is selected. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.